Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to ElectroCAD. In part 4, we developed the control philosophy. In part 5, we converted the philosophy into logic diagrams and relay logic using contacts, coils, and timers. At this point, we know exactly what needs to be drawn. In this video, we will enter AutoCAD Electrical 2026, but with the correct engineering mindset. We are not starting drawings yet, we are preparing the environment so that the logic is translated correctly into schematics. Why we do not start drawing immediately? Many beginners open AutoCAD Electrical and immediately start inserting symbols. That approach leads to broken cross references, incorrect wire numbering, confusing bill of materials, and require redesign during commissioning. Professional engineers set up the project first, then draw. AutoCAD Electrical is not just AutoCAD with symbols. It is a database-driven electrical design tool. Every contact, coil, and wire has an identity, has a relationship, appears in reports automatically. This matches exactly how we define logic in part 5. Let's connect AutoCAD electrical concepts with what we already know. A coil in our logic diagrams become a relay or contactor coil symbol. This is the relay coil. Similarly, a contact becomes a cross-referenced contact symbol. For example, this is a normally open contact. We can use that and we can connect that with its parent contactor. Look. Similarly, a timer becomes a timer relay with done contacts. We can also add timer through icon menu. This is the coil of timer. And we can connect that with its parent coil. Okay, AutoCAD Electrical works with projects, not isolated files. A project contains multiple schematic sheets, panel layouts, terminal diagrams, and reports like bill of materials and wire list. This mirrors real EPC documentation package. We can also check that in IEC demo project, it has a schematic folder and a panel folder. And it also has a panel terminal plan as well. So why the structure of project matters? If the project is not structured correctly, wire numbers will not be consistent and cross references will be unreliable. Later changes will break documentation. That is why we treat project setup as an engineering task, not a software task. In this course, we will use IEC standards because IEC symbols are widely accepted globally and most industrial control panels follow IEC. AutoCAD Electrical supports IEC natively. All symbols you saw in the logic diagram are IEC compliant. So, what we will draw first? When we start drawing, we will not mix power and control. We will not mix logic on one sheet. Each logic block from the one-page diagram will map to one or two ladder rungs, clearly named coils and contacts. This keeps drawing readable and maintainable. And some of the common mistakes that we need to avoid are drawing without a logic reference and renaming coils manually, ignoring cross-reference warnings, and copy-paste without understanding. AutoCAD Electrical will warn you, but only if the project is set up correctly. From this point onward, we will create AutoCAD Electrical project, sheet structure and XY grid, power circuit drawings, and control circuit drawings using our logic diagram. And every drawing will trace back to control philosophy, logic diagram, and relay mapping. Remember, good control drawings are not created by software skills alone. They are created by engineering discipline. In the next video, we will create our AutoCAD Electrical 2026 project step by step. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next lesson.